Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unresponsive screen after drop in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you're using Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and you're facing the issue that you have accidentally dropped your phone, but now your screen is unresponsive, like you're unable to touch on your screen. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically you have to make a restart first. Now if your screen is unresponsive, so you cannot restart as well using this icon or using this restart button here. But you can still restart your phone by pressing the volume down and power button at the same time. Just press and hold volume down and power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds here. Just press and hold volume down and power button and just wait for almost 10 to 15 seconds. The very first, your screen goes fully black, and once you get the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to try to use your phone to check if it's fixed your issue or not. So it will fix your issue if there will be any if there will not any physical issue with your phone screen. You can easily use your phone now, but sometime it might be that if your phone is still not working, your screen is still unresponsive, so you have to go to a hardware manager and just request them to fix your hardware, because sometimes it might be that your screen is damaged physically, so you're unable to use your screen until you repair it. So in this way, you can easily fix your unresponsive screen after the drop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.